Let us start a new program. It speaks about mathematical expressions and data types. So here initialize the variable x equals 3 and y equals 5.2 and z equals 6. So now let r1, it's another variable called r1, equals x plus z, and r2 equals x times z, and r3 equals z divided by x, and r4 equals z modulus, and we know what is modulus now, modulus x, and r5 equals z power 2 x. So power 2 is 2 asterisks or exponential to x, z power to x or z exponential to x, and r6 equals 2 division, I'm sorry, z 2 divisions x, and we'll show what this means. And m1 equals z plus y, and let's run this code, run it. Oh, so the result is here, so it compares the result should be here, but here there is some error which needs to be parentheses, and each one need to put parentheses. So this is the error. We fix this error by putting parentheses in each of expressions. So this division expression, it's all mathematical expressions. And again, run. And there is some value. Oh, but why there is no? We have to let another value which is printing. So let's speak about these variables. X is integer and z is integer. Why? Because it's including decimal point. It's floating. So and the resultant or r1 is integer and r2 is integer. R3 because there is division here for there is a float, and R4 is integer, R5 is integer also, and we need R6 is also integer, and if you saw the results is here, this is the result of each variable, okay. But if I need to print and show the printing here in the console, so I should write print x plus z and x plus times z and so on. But here I need to know what is the expression modulus percentage. R4, which is z modulus by x, means z modulus by 3. Hmm. And this gives 0. No reminder here. If I change this one by 4, the result should be here too. I run here, here too. And all these are changed because I changed the value of the variable x. Thanks for listening.